Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude, and this is the question I'm going to answer. And it's how can I create a Google form that allows uploading of images? Before I show you how to do this, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to create a lot more content on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools, and I'm creating it just for you. So I'm going to create a new form. I'm in my Gmail account, not my Google Workspace. This should work in Gmail as well as it works in Google Workspace. I want to do new, and I'm going to do forms. And I'm going to say, got that. And I'm going to call this my test form. All right? So by the way, I click that and renames it to test form. Now I'm going to add a new question right here. Add a question. And right here it is. I'm going to do upload, file upload. So files will be uploaded to the form owner, that would be me, Google Drive. There's actually going to be a folder in Google Drive that's called test form uploads. Respondents will be required to sign in to Google when file upload questions are added to a form. So they have to have a Google account or a Gmail account in order to do file uploads. Make sure to only share this form with people you trust. Okay, I got that. Thank you very much. I'm going to hit continue. Now, I need to have your company logo. So I need a company logo. Allow specific file types. Okay, so I can choose. I want a image. Okay, I don't want audio. I'll take a drawing. Okay, number of files I need 1. Maximum file type. I can say it can be 1 meg or less, 10 megs or less, 100 megs or less, 1 gig or 10 gigs. Okay, I think for a company logo, a 10 megabyte file. Oh heck, let's go to a 100 megabyte file. That's all I need. That's a huge file. Okay, and if I hit view folder, you'll see right here it's going to open up the folder, my drive, test form, company logos. Okay, so I'll just close that, just showing you that's where it's going to go. Go back to my test form. Now I can add another question. Let's put another question. Let's say here, what is your company name? And I'll make that a short answer. If I want to, I can make it required, and I can also click the 3 dots here and have a description. Please check spelling. Okay, make it required. I need a company logo, make that required. And I can add more description here. I can tell them up front it needs to be less than a 100 megabyte file. Preferably a PNG or a JPEG file. Spell preferably correctly. Okay. Now, there's my form. Now, I could do a lot more. I can add a lot more questions, but the question is all about how do I get a document? Okay. So if I go view this, there's what it looks like. Okay. Now, I could say the name of, let's see, add a file. Let's go get a file. Select from my device. And I go get go get my company logo, go to BCI images, go to images in here, I'm just going to get one of these images, make sure it's less than 100 megabytes. Okay, background, where's the size? 411 kilobytes. Here's one of my logos, which is, where is that? Here's one of my logos. It's 1.8 megabytes. And that, by the way, is a 3300 by 4200 file. Open that puppy, okay? Hit the upload button. There it is right there, waiting to upload. Hit the upload button. And there it is there. What's my company name? That's spelled correctly. Submit. So boom, I just submitted it by testing the form. If I go back to the form, you'll see there's already one response. So I can go look at that response. There's a logo, it's in my folder. There's the name, Burris Consulting. If I go view the folder, there it is there. Double click on the image that was uploaded. And there it is right there. Looks good to me. Again, come out of the view the folder and back to my form, and there it is. It's really pretty easy. You just simply add a new question, go to questions. You just simply add a question, and when you choose the question type, you choose file upload. That's all you gotta do. And then you set your parameters around it. So you have the parameters exactly what you want, a drawing or an image, size, number of files. And then again, they're going to be required when they do this functionality, they have to have a Google Workspace or a Gmail account in order to use a company logo file upload. Excuse me. In order for them to use a file upload feature of this Google form. By the way, I don't know of other forms that are out there that you could use to do this. So that's why I decided to show this feature to you using a Google form. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.